If you make tutorials in Premiere Pro, you already know how painful zooms are. Add the transform effect, keyframes, fake the motion blur, smooth everything, and Premiere doesn't even have a real graph editor. It's slow and it kills your flow. So I built a plugin that does all of that in one click. This is CreatorFlow Pro. I already released Camera 3D Toolkit Pro and Click Zoom Pro, and this is the Premiere version you guys asked for. Links in the description if you want to grab it. It's 38% off right now. But let me just show you what it does first. So here, I'm just dragging the clip into the timeline, and you can see that it instantly appears inside the plugin's preview window. Inside the interface, you'll notice that there are several buttons and each one has a specific role. You can see that when I click on a preset button, the plugin instantly sets everything up for me. It places the screen recording correctly, adds a background, and creates a clean setup that's ready to animate. And the best part is, it's fully customizable. You can change the colors, the gradient background, the size, the style, and more. So even if you already have your own workflow, you can still fit CreatorFlow Pro into it very easily. Now let's move to the feature that saves a crazy amount of time, Smart Zoom. I'm just going to click on Smart Zoom. What this button does is analyze the clip, detect the important cursor positions, and automatically create zooms and pan moves for you. And I leave everything in real time so you can actually see how fast it is. For example, this clip is around 45 seconds long, and as you can see, the analysis only takes a few seconds. You can see that the plugin builds the whole animation for you. It applies the transform effect, not native motion, which is why you get real motion blur, sets up every keyframe, and smooths the entire animation automatically. What used to take you several minutes per clip, the plugin does it in seconds. Now if I play it back, you can see that the plugin automatically zoomed into the right places. It follows the cursor, creates pans when needed, and adds motion blur, and keeps the movement smooth. That's why tools like this can completely change your workflow. By the way, if you want to try CreatorFlow Pro while it's still 38% off, check the first link in the description and the pinned comment, because the price will be increasing soon. Auto Magnify Demo. Now let me show you another powerful feature, Auto Magnify. I'm just going to click on it so you can see what it does live. Again, I'm not speeding up the video because I want you to get a real idea of how fast the plugin works. This feature creates a local zoom effect. In other words, instead of zooming the whole screen the same way, it isolates a specific area, brings attention to it, and darkens the rest of the screen, so the viewer instantly knows where to look. That is extremely useful in tutorials because sometimes you don't just want a general zoom. You want to clearly direct attention to one exact button, setting, or section. And as you can see, the plugin handles that automatically too. It creates the zoom, highlights the right area, darkens the surrounding parts, and gives that clean focus effect that makes tutorials look much more professional. So again, this is another feature that can save you a massive amount of editing time while also making your videos look better. 4. Manual mode. Now I've shown you the automatic side of the plugin, but let me show you the manual mode too, because sometimes you may want more control. So for this part, I'm using the same screen recording, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. All you need to do is move the playhead to the moment you want, select your clip, and then apply one of the presets. For example, here I'm clicking on preset 2. As you can see, it instantly creates the setup for me. It adds multiple layers, builds the background, and prepares everything so I can animate the sequence much faster. Again, all of this is customizable. You can change the background colors, adjust the look, modify the layers, and make it fit your style. Now let's say I want to create a zoom manually. It's very simple. I just click exactly where I want the zoom to happen, and the plugin automatically creates the animation for me. If I click on one area, it creates a zoom there. If I already have a zoom and then click somewhere else, it creates a pan to the new position. So basically, you're just clicking on the screen where you want attention to go, and the plugin handles the animation. That makes the whole process much faster and much more intuitive. If I play this back now, you can see the result. In just a few clicks, I already have a smooth animated screen movement. And again, this is the kind of thing that can save hours over time if you edit video 5. Manual local focus / magnify. Now let me show you the manual version of the magnify feature. Inside the magnify controls, there's a button called local focus. What I can do here is simply draw a rectangle around the area I want to highlight. So I choose the section I want, drag to create the selection, move the playhead forward a little, and then click add plus apply. And just like that, the plugin creates the effect. If I play it back, you'll see that it adds the zoom, creates the focus effect, darkens the surrounding area, and adds a much cleaner visual emphasis. This is really useful when you want to guide the viewer's eyes very precisely. And again, the nice part is that everything is customizable. You can change the shadow, the colors, the zoom strength, the animation duration, and many other settings directly in the controls. So the plugin gives you speed, but it also gives you control. 6. Why this plugin matters. Honestly, CreatorFlow Pro is one of those tools that can make a huge difference for anyone working in Premiere Pro because zooms are something we use all the time. Because the real problem is not that zooming is impossible in Premiere Pro. Of course, you can do it manually. The real problem is that doing it manually over and over again is slow, repetitive, and honestly, just exhausting. And when you're editing a lot of content, those extra minutes turn into hours. That's exactly why I built CreatorFlow Pro, to make the process faster, easier, and much more efficient. So instead of wasting time on repetitive technical work, you can focus more on the content itself. So if you work in Premiere Pro and you want to speed up your workflow, CreatorFlow Pro is definitely worth checking out. Right now, it's still 38% off for the launch, but the price will be going up in a few days, so this is the best time to get it. Again, it's in the first link in the description and also in the pinned comment. And even if you already have other plugins like Click Zoom Pro, you can still use CreatorFlow Pro depending on your workflow, because this one is really built to help you move faster and get professional looking results with less effort. If you want to get CreatorFlow Pro at 38% off before the price increases, check the first link in the description and the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, I'll make more tutorials to show you more ways to use the plugin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.